participated at the national level in rugby.
Kisii School and Cardinal Otunga Musocho will play host to Nyanza Region and National Secondary School Games competition that's scheduled to start from next week. Kisii School, who are the defending rugby champions, will seek to extend dominance as they seek a slot in the national finals.
They'll give us the backup, so it will be about support rather than pressure. So we put it all upon the boys for them to deliver.
My name is Dennis Omwansa, a teacher at Kisii School. I'm the HOD, co-curricular activities in the school. About the rugby team that has been training with us here, we have done enough preparations. We are not new in this field. In the past, we have been here. Remember, in rugby 15s were in nationals in Term 1. And our expectation or our anticipation this time round is we make it the East Africa. So we are very much hopeful, we are a bit certain that we'll be able to conquer Nyanza. And then from nationals, we'll be able to secure the ticket for East Africa.